What's up everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you just how to create a new React Native project in your laptop, in your any personal computer, and how to run it in the VS Code. Okay, so that's very simple. So I will show you that how you can actually do this simple. In this you have to go to the export documentation, just because I'm going to show you that how to make a new project in the Expo. Okay, so what it's showing you, it's like simply this is the app. Okay, so first you have to open the CMD. Just go here and type the CMD, and after that your CMD will be opened, and paste it. Okay, so it would like npx create. I will zoom it. Okay, npx create expo, and then app, and add latest, and here will be your name. So I will name it first uh, react sorry first react native. Okay, oh sorry, but I have some typo, but let's assume that it's correct. Okay, so it would like download and extract the project files, and it would make a project for me. Okay, so we have to wait it until it's get completed. So as I corrected that typo here, but and then the project file is downloading and getting extracted. We have to wait until it's get completed actually. Okay, so after completed, I would further show you that how to actually run the new project created and then run it in VS Code. So as you guys can check that my project is ready, and it's added 907 packages and 167 are still like running. Okay, so my project is ready. Okay, so how I can actually run this? So it's very simple. You have to change the directory here. Okay, and then type your project name, which is my, in my case, first React Native. Okay, first React Native, it's my project. So I would change directory, so it's open. So if I want to open it in VS Code, it's simple. You have to type the code, and then after space dot and press the enter, so it would open, it gets open in your VS Code. Okay, so this is my new React Native project got opened. Okay, so for the folder structure, it is like for the VS Code. Okay, so this is where my app would get run, or this is my app files. Okay, so within the app and within the tab, this is my main root directory from where I would code my whole project of the React Native. Okay, this is whole project. If I run it, just press the Ctrl J for the terminal, and here you would get the command which is npx expo start. Okay, so this is like the assets folder. You have like all the assets like images and etc, fav icon, and all images etc will be here. And it is the components like the, for example, you have the nav bar, you have the flat list, flat cards, and other all the components would be here. It is constants, and here are the hooks. For example, if you are using a hook to grab some elements, components from the appearance, like the color, use color scheme, so you can use the hooks and all these. Okay, so here is my first React Native app. It's already built in, the code is already given it, but if you want to run it, then just type the npx expo and start, so it would start your React Native project in your PC. Okay, so I done this with the expo actually, Expo Go. Okay, so if you want to run your apps with the CLI, just comment. I would also create a video on that. Okay, so here you have open, just press W and then open web. So I have to press the W here, and it would like open it in the web browser. So you guys can check, this is like my first React Native project, which is like running with the Expo Go. Okay, so it is running, loading still, so I have to wait for it. until like it's like compiling it, rendering it, and etc. all working. Okay, so you have to wait it until it is all compiled and loaded. So like it is 17, 80, 90%, and let's wait for it until it's all get rendered and bundled. So this is my first React Native app which like it created. So you guys can run it in the browser simple like this. If you want to also host it in your mobile phone, just download the Expo Go app. I will show in the next video. Just comment for it. Okay, that's very simple. Just download the Expo Go and then scan this QR code. Your mobile app will be getting reflected in the your local mobile phone. Okay, so I have to remove it and make a simple RNFE, sorry, React Native functional component. So it will make me another like first app which I will here type first app, and here I can code it using some components, or like I can simple code my project here. Okay, so I will minimize it. Okay, here is my VS Code browser, and this is my first app. Okay, so getting started with, I am getting started with, so I can code here all the, so that's how you can create and run first your first React Native project. Okay, so hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe my channel for further videos. You have to click the press subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thanks for this watching. So here it is your first app. You can code in the like app, and in the app index.tsx. Okay, so it's already mentioned here. You guys can check here. Thank you.